Hi beautiful people, in this video I am going to show you that how you can improve your website speed with a simple trick. So let me share my screen and show you that how we can do that. So before I'm going to show you that how we can improve our website speed, I just want to let you know that I am building website for over 6 years on the Fiverr as a freelancer. So whatever I am here sharing with you, it is all about the experience I have learned so far. So what I have seen when I'm building website for my client, even you, if you are building your website for your own self, people don't consider about the images size and they just send high resolution images. It can be like the 1 MB, 3 MB, 6 MB in the image size, and they ask about to put these images on the website. So definitely, when you're going to put the big size of the image on your website, it's going to take some time to load on the server, so it's going to make your website slow. So let me show you something. If I'm going to click onto the edit with the Elementor, and I just want to give you a simple example, so you will see that how we can improve our website speed with the big difference. So if I'm going to click on this image, and I have used this image, then I'm going to click on choose the image, and then now you can see this image size is 833 KB. So you can see it is about 1 MB image. So when a visitor comes to your website and he's going to access, definitely it takes some time to reload from server, so he can see that the whole the website and everything. So it's going to take some time, so it makes your website more slow. And there can be a lot of the factor, because the image, we do not use only one image, because we have a lot of the images on our website. So how we can improve this without losing quality? So let me show you that how we can do that. Here you can see this image is 833 KB. So I am using website. It's now the tinypng.com. I recommend to my customers, when I am building their website, to when you are sending me an image, kindly upload here to just compress image size without losing any pixel and resolution. So that's why I just want to share with you. This is really so amazing. And if we scroll down here, you can see that trusted by thousands of the companies around here. You can the Sony, the Ask, Microsoft, and Samsung. And if you go on the top here, you can see that it says Smart PNG, Web PNG, and JPG composite for faster website and optimize. And it's really so amazing. So definitely, I'm going to recommend you, when you're going to upload any image on your website, kindly make sure you optimize that image. So what we can do here, let me show you that. If I go to my screen here, this image I am using. So this image, I want to show you the size here. And now you can see here, the size is 833 KB. So what I have to do, I will go here and I'm just going to select that image. I go to desktop and I am selecting this image. And now you will see the result. Here we go. The image size was 853 KB. So now what the website has done, it has minus 69% saved. So now the image size is 267 KB. So we're going to download this image, and now I will replace this image with that one. So here we go. This image. And now you can see this image size. If we see the previous one, it was 833, and now the same pixel we have, you can see that 1024 by 889. It has the same resolution without using any quality, but we have just got compressed the image size. So it's going to really help us to boost our website. So we're going to select that one and click on update. Let me show you another thing. If I'm just going to click on here, this pencil icon, and I want to add another image here, and maybe I just want to add here the text, for example, and here I just want to add another image for my website, and I'm going to select for this one, this image. Yeah, this one. Just for the example, I just want to show you that. So I just want to help you to optimize the images so you can make your website more faster, more if website loads more faster. Yeah, definitely Google love the fast websites. So now see, this image size has 4 MB, and we people really don't care about the size, and then we just keep uploading the images on our website. Then definitely it's going to make our website slow. So we're just going to click and select, and now you can see this image size has uh 4 MB. So yeah, so what we can do, we go again to tiny png, then we're going to select that image, and yeah, this one. Now you can see this 3.96 about to be a 4 MB. So we're going to select that one, and now you will see the magic. Yeah, it is just compressing. Yeah, you can read about this more. I'm just going to give the link below also in the description, so you can use that. And it's really so amazing. Yeah, I'm using this website for compressing the images for my client websites, and I have seen a lot of the big difference. So that's why I decided to share with you, because yeah, that's why I have created this my YouTube channel, so I can share my personal experience, so I can help you guys. And here we go. Now you can see that this image size was 4 MB. Now after this we upload here on the PNG, then it's now became the 1 MB. So this is, you can see the difference. Then we're just going to click on save, and now we just can put that image here to replace that one. So this was the shortest tutorial about how we can improve our website speed and optimize the image size on our website. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is going to help you when you're going to upload image on your website. So now you can see it's became the 1 MB, and before it was the 4 MB. So yeah, that's it. Then click on to maybe, yeah, just I want to show you that how we can do that. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.